Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily and today's video, I guess it's just a little makeup tutorial. So what had happened is today was supposed to be a 3 looks 1 palette and I was fully prepared to sit down and film the looks for you. Halfway through my first look, or the only look I'm doing, I realized that I've already done a 3 looks 1 palette on this palette. This is the Pure and rawbeautykristi Duality palette. Literally forgot that I've already done one of these on this palette and I didn't double check before I started filming. So I thought I would just do a little makeup tutorial. I really like this look and I like the way that it turned out, and I didn't want to like scrap the video or start over with a new palette. So here I am. It is also a voiceover just because I was going to do a voiceover for all 3 looks. So yeah, that's it. I really enjoy this look and I hope you enjoy it too. I didn't do my base makeup on camera because, again, this was going to be a 3 looks 1 palette and it was going to be the same base makeup for all 3 looks. But I will have everything that is on my face listed down below in the description box if you are curious about anything. And without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so I first went in with the shade My Whole Heart on my entire eyelid. I didn't go in with an eyeshadow primer because this was going to be 3 looks and I didn't want to prime my eyes for each look because I was only going to be wearing each look for like 10 minutes, you know, but I've actually worn this look all day now and it still looks really great. Then I went in with the yellow on the neutral side called Camelot and I started taking that through my crease. And I wanted this to be like my transition shade, so I built it up quite a bit and then started blending out the edges. Then I went in with the shade It Just Does on a fluffy blending brush and started applying that a little bit lower in my crease, but I was okay with it getting like kind of all over my lid just because at this point, I didn't really know what I was going to be doing with this look. I thought about doing a cut crease, but decided against it. Then I went back in with Camelot and started blending out It Just Does to get a really nice little blend going. Then I switched over to the colorful side and went in with the bright red called Flavor Town. This is when I realized I have already done a 3 looks 1 palette with this palette. So yeah, I started taking this on the outer corner of my eye because I kind of started getting an idea of what I wanted to do for this look at that point. Then I went in with the shade Golden Ticket, which is the shimmer on the neutral side, and started packing that all over my eyelids and kind of all over into the mattes that I was using on my lid just because I thought it was really pretty. I started with the shade Camelot on my lower lash line on a big fluffy blending brush. And then I took just the red shade Flavor Town. And then I took the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Red Rock and started doing a little bit of a wing with that. I was feeling the red, I guess, today. And then I took a little angled brush and started not really blending it out, but I guess just blending it out and making it look a little bit more, I don't know, just pulling it out, making it look a little more precise. And then I took some of the liner on this brush to kind of really clean up that liner. I didn't bring it all the way in, I just kept it about halfway through my eye. And then I took a little bit of my KVD Cake Pencil liner on a brush to add a little bit of smokiness near my lashes. I went back in with the shade Golden Ticket and used that to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. And then I took that Creme Gel Liner in the shade Red Rock and put it on my waterline. And then I went in with about 2 coats of my Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. I love this mascara. I think it is seriously so nice. It's kind of more of a wet formula, but I really enjoy it. This is me showing off my lashes. And then I did my lips. So I started with the St. Luxe lip liner in the shade Love Letter, which is currently in my project pan and my Shop My Stash. So it was only the natural choice. And then I went in with the Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Me. I wish I would have went in with something a tiny bit more warm, but I like the way it turned out, and that's it for this look. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I am hoping that my content and my filming schedule is going to be getting back on track soon. I'm fingers crossed everything's gonna be going good soon. If you did enjoy this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe before you go, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!